Photo of Yelena Kurilo, who suffered from the explosion of enemy's projectile, flew all the world's media. The bloody teacher of preschool was named the face of war. There comes more and more such people in Ukraine who suffered from Russian aggression. These people cannot longer recognize themselves. The scars of their faces only remind them about their scars in the souls. Plastic and reconstructive surgeon Anastasia Ignatieva provides assistance to such victims in Kiev for free. Surgeries can help to erase the traces of war from the faces of Ukrainians. Swollen face, two huge holes in the cheek, and I think it is lucky that it went only in the cheek. It could fly anywhere. Oksana Spodoba showed a photo of her 75-year-old mother. Mrs. Irina came under enemy fire in Irpin. A fragment of a mine hit her in the face. The old woman miraculously survived. People who saw my mother right away when accident happened were just shocked. There was a lot of blood. Her cheek was very swollen and reached to the shoulder. It's hard for a pensioner to remember the day. Injured woman said that she had came out of the bomb shelter to feed the dogs when the explosion caught her on the road. There was an explosion near me and a shrapnel just damaged my face. The shrapnel hit my cheek and went down under my jaw. I immediately grazed my injured cheek with my hand and quickly went to the shelter where I knew exactly the doctor would be.
Быстро пошла в то убежище, где я знала, что был врач.
The doctor gave Irina first aid, but it was very difficult to do anything with her face to save it. The pensioner was evacuated immediately. Mama came as 300 damaged people with severe injuries. My mother has returned with a dog and a gift, a splinter that hit her cheek. I'm not sure is it talisman or not, but we keep it as a reminder of Russian peace. I still can't look in the mirror, and before didn't. Now there are almost no traces of war on Irina's face. There is one small scar on the left, which we also will remove, so she wouldn't remember about her trauma. Anastasia Ignatieva is plastic and reconstructive surgeon, the doctor who worked with injured Irina's face, and she was working in the hospital when the war began in Ukraine and helping people from Kiev's region. Now surgeons on the front line in hospitals are working with the most important life-saving, but after the healing, the person can see a big scars on their faces, can see the displacement of some parts of the face, eyebrows or lips, or missing the part of ear, of nose. To help people recognize themselves in the mirror, the doctor has established the project Ukrainian Face. Anastasia, with a team of surgeons, restores the faces of Ukrainians. Now we have patients who are preparing for a very complicated reconstructive surgery. The surgeries as restoration of jaw, noses, preparation for such large and complex interventions will take months. But the most difficult thing is not the injuries and operations, but the psychological state of operation, says Dr. Anastasia Ignatieva. Now we are waiting for a teenage girl from the Kharkiv region who got facial injury. Moreover, she faced a very serious psychological trauma. We have been waiting for her for 2 weeks because she is afraid even to come out of the bombshell. Every patient before operation receives psychological help. Everything is absolutely for free. However, the doctor asks for support from those who care about the injured Ukrainians with medication. This project cannot exist only in the hospital. We want to expand it to the project which can provide also accommodation for people and other help, because we receive patients from all the regions of Ukraine. Some of these people now are just homeless. To receive help with facial reconstruction, you have to write Dr. Anastasia Ignatieva on social network as Instagram and provide your photos and hospital discharge.
Подробиці телеканал Інтер, марафон Єдині новини.